You've now started to interview companies on a global scale. You continue to be based, you continue to be based in California. What drove that decision to source or to interview on a global scale?
What drove it was us, innovating, experimenting. We had the reflection that we fly. Our interviews are very short; they're 10 minutes. That's all we really need to come to an opinion. But it's kind of hard to fly someone from across the world to Mountain View for a 10-minute interview and reject them. And especially often we know pretty quickly that this isn't going to be a good match. So we thought to ourselves, well, how can we be smarter about this? And so we've done a few things over time. We do video interviews a lot in advance to decide which companies to bring out. And then after that, we said, well, why don't we actually make it a bit of an event for a country? And instead of flying all those people out, we'll fly people in, many fewer people. By the way, one of the things that drove this was the difficulty certain founders were having getting visas to come to the United States. So this made the visa problem much smaller. So we also came to the realization that event was going to be, a great way to tell the local ecosystem, hey, Y Combinator's here, you should apply. And it really worked. We get more applications when we do it. We fly in a team to interview. It saves a lot on flying people to Mountain View. It saves a lot on hassles trying to get visas. And it gives us an opportunity to talk about YC in a foreign market. So far we've liked the results a lot. We've done it in India, in Bangalore. We've done it in Tel Aviv. And now we've done it in Paris this past week. We did about 150 interviews in Paris. And next week we're going to do Bangalore again, and we'll continue this and expand throughout the world. It seems to be a great program. We're really happy with the results so far.